My name is Him Park, and today I will be presenting my invention, which is called a facial recognition system, and this invention's name is called Hello. And the main materials I used for this invention is mainly the vision sensor and the automatic voice system, and also the speaker to have the automatic voice system, and I also used the motion sensor and the servo driver. For this invention, I will be explaining why I made this invention, and there are three main reasons. And this recognition system is quite beneficial for society because for number passwords such as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, all they have to do is memorize the numbers in order, and they can access the house easily, which makes it easier for robbers to enter the house and have full access. This ID can help people's safety and also their privacy, and the reason is, if a stranger or a robber enters a house without their permission, they're violating their privacy and also their rights most importantly. If we have this device, we need to have a specific person to have access to the house, which makes their safety much more secure and safe. Also, the final reason for why this device is very beneficial is that some people may be lazy to type in their house password, which makes this device much more helpful for these people. All they have to do is put their faces on this device, and this device will automatically scan their face, and if it is the person they were looking for, then the door would automatically open. And for my 3D printing model, my description is that on the big hole on the upper level, I will be inserting my hello code if I press the button, and I will put a filter system of a doorbell, and my smart camera will have the ability to scan the faces, and if it is the correct face, the LED light will go green, and the sensor driver will tilt 90 degrees so that the door is able to lock and unlock automatically. As you can see, this 3D model is also this part of the model of my doorbell and also the door, since it is attached. Now you may be wondering, how does the unlocking and locking system works? Firstly, the sensors are not the one we will be looking for, and for this I use my servo driver to tilt 90 degrees and automatically go back to 0 degrees. And as this, again, we will use the servo driver to unlock and lock the doors. There will be 2 layers for the door, so that one layer can have all the motor sensors and etc. And once we do this, our servo driver will unlock for 5 seconds so that the person can open and close the door and will lock itself again. Now I would like to move on to my simulation of this model. Firstly, this is my model of my doorbell and the house, and also this is the space where all of the motors are there. And to give a brief example for this, I will have 2 balls of different colors so that one can be a face that is not recognized, and one ball is when it is recognized. As you can see, if I press this is the unrecognized face. It has a red light, and it also has a warning system which tells the person that it is unrecognized and they are not able to open the door. And secondly, this ball is where this face is recognized for the invention to see. And as the laughing sound comes out and the LED light turns green, it shows that this ability of the invention recognizes this face. And as you can see, this servo driver will unlock itself, and I will show you it once more. Right now this is unlocked, and after 5 seconds this servo driver will lock itself again by tilting the degrees. And finally, I'll be showing you the doorbell filter of how, if I press the button, the doorbell sound will come out itself. As you can see, as this sound comes out, I changed the LED filter by doing a rotating system so that it can remind the person that it is ringing, and also informing the person that they're ringing the bell. And this is it for my presentation, and thank you for listening.